want Roblox Studio inside your Chromebook. I'm going to show you how you could get it. So let's open my Chromebook right here and begin with step number 1 right away. Now, as we all know, on Chromebook, a lot of apps that are on Windows are blocked. So I'm going to show you how you could get Linux. And using Linux, we're going to go ahead and get Roblox Studio. If you don't know what Linux is, it's like Windows, but it's like where you could get other apps that Windows has. So let me quickly log into my Chromebook. So I'll be back with you guys once I'm logged in. Okay, so I just opened my Chromebook and we went to roblox.com. I signed in right here to my Roblox account. And as you can see right here, if I go to create, let's go to the create tab. Let's wait for this to launch. It's not going to let me show you. So if I go here, as you can see, it doesn't let me create anything or get Roblox Studio. When I click create, it just lets me view my dashboard and that's it. So as you can see, Chrome OS, it doesn't support it. So we need to first download a new OS because Chrome OS is not going to let us. As you can see, I click here. And then if I click on here, it's just not gonna work, guys. There's no option for this. So this is how you could get it. So first we need to go ahead and download Linux. So let's go ahead to search right here and type up Linux. So once we type Linux, we want to go to this website, linux.org, and Linux is gonna, by the way, just a warning, when you download this on your Chromebook's not going to be the same as it is right now. So Linux is like getting Windows. So like there's Mac OS, Chrome OS, Linux OS, and Windows OS. Linux is a bit like Windows, but it's more of a privacy browser. I mean, not browser, but privacy OS. So they don't like, I'm pretty sure they don't really do the data thing, and they I don't know what they do actually. I don't know what that means, a privacy OS. To be quite honest with you, I don't know what the features of this thing is, but we need Linux because Linux supports Roblox Studio. So let's go to linux.org, and here there's gonna be some tutorials and other things. It's going to say what's new, forums, members. So we want to download Linux. So let's go here and download Linux. There's going to be some ad. What is this? Get rid of the ad. Okay. So no, we don't want a 30-day free trial for whatever that is. Now we need to select the one we want. So this Linux distribution is different because every Linux browser is different. So we have Debian, Fedora, CentOS. These are all different different OSs. So Linux has multiple, like it's like choosing between Google and Chrome. There's much different things. So I'm gonna go with Debian. Let me see. So type Debian. I like Debian the most because I used this last time, so I like Debian. Where's Debian? Okay, so this is the instructions of Debian. So let's go download this. So if you want to install Debian using the internet, please see the network installation page. So we need to now get Debian. So let's do, okay. So once you're on this page, what we need to do is simple. So once you selected the browser, or I guess the distribution network, I selected Debian. So all we need to do is copy the name now. So let's copy the name Debian. So copy this name. There we go. Let me copy the name. And now what we want to do It's simple. So now, once we copy the name, that is Debian. There we go. Now we just need to click on Play Store. And now we need to paste Debian here. Okay. Debian. So Debian. There we go. Until the Google Play search. Now let's enter. And it's going to be somewhere here. Use and where is this? It's the Linux. So now we'll have a lot of results here. So now we just need to select one of them. I'm going to go for I don't know which one's the best one. I'm going to go for this one. So now we just need to get this Linux thing. So skip. So now we just need to download one of the Linux. Okay, it doesn't actually work on here. So we can't get this one. I'm going to try another one. So let's get this one right here. Let's wait for this to load. It's going to take some time, but yeah, we're downloading it right here. I'm going to download this one, Userland Linux on Android. Let's wait. And once it's installing, let's just wait for it to finish installing. It's going to take like a second or two. Shouldn't take that long to install, guys. Okay, so Linux just installed. Now let's click open. Now we need to select what we want. Now, we already said we want Debian, so let's do Debian. To continue, must enable. Okay. Let's click allow. Continue. Graphical. Continue. This is why I like Chromebook, because it's like way better than Microsoft or Linux, because it's free. It's just better. Now let's just wait for this. This is what I really love about Chromebook, because you could get Linux and other cool things on it. So I just got it right here. Are we on? Let me click on this. So it's downloading the asset list. It just has to wait like a second or two. So yeah, we just have to wait for it to download the assets of Debian. Once that's downloaded, we're not going to be on Chrome OS. We're going to be on Debian or Linux OS. So let's wait for this. Downloading assets. Copying downloaded files to storage. Okay, verifying assets. Okay, nice. So it's quite going to be easy. We just have to wait for this. So we'll just wait. You know what I'm saying? It's just setting up the file system and stuff. So that's kind of cool. It's doing it very fast as well. And guys, by the way, we could get a lot more things than just Roblox Studio on here. So once we get Linux, so I have Linux right here. Now I just need to download Google onto my Linux and download some apps. So we're on Linux right now, guys. We're on Debian, as you can see. So now I'll be back with you guys once I install Roblox on here to install, Google on here. So then we could install Roblox. To install Google, it's just some like code. You guys could easily find it on Google. what you need to type in. But yeah, so I'm going to quickly do this and I'll be back with you guys once I have configured my Linux. And yeah, so I'll be back. So I just configured Google and basically I'm on Linux, and as you can see, I have Roblox Studio here. So yeah, it actually worked, and go try this for yourself. And yeah, guys, if you have any issues, let me know in the comments. Click on this right now, and I'll see you next video. Peace.